Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of receipts after a business trip? Or maybe you're tired of the endless spreadsheet saga just to get reimbursed. If you're nodding along, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a common pain point for individuals and businesses alike: expense reporting. But we're not just talking about any expense reporting, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify, a tool designed to turn that receipt-laden nightmare into a smooth, seamless dream. Expensify isn't just another app, it's a game-changer for managing your out-of-pocket business expenses. Whether you're a freelancer tracking your own costs, a small business owner, or part of a larger organization, getting reimbursed or simply keeping your finances in order is crucial. Expensify simplifies this process dramatically, helping you save time, reduce errors, and ensure you get your money back faster. So, how exactly do you report expenses in Expensify? Let's break it down step by step. The beauty of Expensify lies in its flexibility when it comes to adding expenses. You've got a few fantastic options, each designed to make your life easier. First up, and probably the most popular, is SmartScan. Imagine this: you've just paid for a client lunch. Instead of stuffing that tiny paper receipt into your wallet, you pull out your phone, open the Expensify app, and snap a picture. Expensify's SmartScan technology instantly reads the merchant, date, and amount from the receipt. It's almost magical. Once scanned, the expense is automatically created, ready for you to add any extra details like a category, description, or tags for better organization. This real-time capture is a huge time saver and helps prevent those dreaded lost receipt moments. But what if you have a digital receipt, like an e-receipt from an online purchase? No problem. Expensify has you covered. You can simply forward the e-receipt to receipts@expensify.com from your verified email address. Expensify will then process it just like a SmartScan, creating an expense for you. This is incredibly handy for online subscriptions, digital tools, or any purchase where a physical receipt isn't generated. Sometimes, you might need to add an expense manually. Maybe you paid cash, or for some reason, the SmartScan didn't quite catch all the details. For these instances, you can easily manually create an expense. Simply click the new expense or plus button in the app or on the web, choose Manual, and fill in the details: amount, currency, date, merchant, and any other relevant information. While it requires a bit more input from you, it's still quick and ensures all your expenses are accounted for. What about mileage? Expensify makes tracking mileage for business travel a breeze. You can use the distance feature, which allows you to input your start and end locations, and Expensify will calculate the distance and associated cost based on your company's set mileage rate. Some versions even integrate with GPS to automatically track your trips. Once your expenses are in Expensify, they are automatically added to an expense report. For many users, Expensify will even auto-create reports, grouping expenses based on your company's settings or your preferences. You can always create a new report yourself if needed and add specific expenses to it. This is where you can review all your individual expenses, ensure all receipts are attached, and add any final comments or notes for your approver. Finally, the moment of truth: submitting your report. With all your expenses neatly categorized and attached, simply click Submit. Expensify will then route your report to the appropriate person for approval, whether that's your manager, accounting department, or directly for reimbursement if you're managing your own finances. Many companies even have automated approval workflows, making the process even faster. You'll typically receive notifications on the report status, from submission to approval and eventually, reimbursement. Expensify truly takes the headache out of expense reporting. By leveraging its various input methods, automated features, and streamlined reporting, you can ensure your expenses are always accurate, organized, and ready for reimbursement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.